The running stitch is one of the easiest and most common stitches in embroidery. Stitch up and down along the fabric in a line, keeping even spacing between the stitches. It is an evenly spaced up and down hand stitch that anyone can do. Even beginners can do running stitch. The running stitches and the gaps between them can be even or uneven in length depending on the seam or embroidery effect you are creating. It is the basis of many other hand stitches and embroidery stitches, so it is important to master before moving on to more advanced stitches.